So today I'm gonna be installing the VRSF downpipes. Open this up. Two little stickers. Okay, they gave me two. Two new gaskets. Cat back. Let's go to this. Two Catless downpipes. Alright, to get started, I'm gonna take this engine cover off. Missing this Allen key, this one and this one in the back. And I do already have the car jacked up, handbrake applied, stop in the back. Take that off. But you want to get the front and the rear O2 sensor. Pull it out, get you a little flat head, push this out, pull this up. Same with that side, slide that out. The same thing with the rear O2 sensor. Then I unplug it, you pry this tab up, pull it out. That's the rear O2 sensor. Same with the front. Pull that out. Take them out of these notches. I think it wraps around to this side. Down here. Put them out right here. So yeah, I just took them off right here so I can have some slack for it to hang down when I get underneath it. Then you want to unplug the O2 sensors. Again, the gray is for the rear, the black is for the front. Get that out of there. Pry this one up. Take these out next. This one's supposed to be a 10, but I don't know what's going on right there. Oh, I guess it's supposed to be a nut. Now I'm gonna take this brace off. I believe these are 5/8. Now I'm gonna spray these with WD-40. I know a lot of people use PB Blaster, but that's what I got, so I'm gonna let that work for a little minute while I take this out off the steering rack and loosen this one up so I can have room to get them out. Keep this on so I can return it. No cap. I don't know how I'm gonna get it up there. See if that works. And just loosen this one. That should be good now. It might be as far as it can go. Oh yeah, it's hitting right here. So there should be enough room so I can work out in here. My hands are a little big, but yeah, I can still get that. Anyway, I'm about to try to get these off now. They're at 12.
See if I can do it with hand. That was really easy. A little bit more difficult.
Alright, I'm gonna get this one out the way first so I can get to that last nut on the back side of this one. So now I gotta get this bolt. It's a 13. That one out. Just try to get my gerber up in there. Now to take this out. 12mm wrench. Taking this off, it's an E10. I'm gonna try getting this last nut off back here. All right, now
I just hit this back.
now I can get this out. Alright, so I'm gonna loosen this one up so it can rotate a little bit so I can get this one out. By the way, I'm getting the back one off. Got the extension right there. Alright, once I got that back nut out, I was able to work this front downpipe down. So, So my GoPro died, so I'm continuing on my phone. I pulled the first downpipe down from the turbo, and I let the O2 sensor hang down a little bit. So now I got the O2 sensor socket on. I just broke it loose. I'm about to take it out and then get the back one off. All right, I just got that one disconnected from here. I'm gonna just let it hang right there while I get the back one out. Now I'm about to finish taking out that bolt on the clamp so I can lower this downpipe out and take these O2 sensors out. I got that clamp on. Now I'm about to lower the downpipe so I can get these O2 sensors out. And the back one. Alright, I got this one out from the other one. I got the other one back here tucked away so I don't get them confused. Now I'm about to take that one out. Right here, the old catted down pipes and the new Catless. So I'm just about to get these O2 sensors, move into the new ones, and put them back in the reverse order that I took them off. Before I put the new ones in, I'm gonna take off this old clamp. I'm gonna take out this old gasket right here and put in the new one. The old gaskets don't look bad. These are the two old ones. I just put one of the new ones in, and this is the other new one. They don't look bad. Both O2 sensors in. New gasket in. Now I'm about to put this new clamp on. Put this new clamp on so I can get it in. Alright, I got the first one in. See the clamp. I still got it loose so I can have a little bit of play when these go in. So now I'm about to get the second one. Put the other O2 sensor on and push it up in there. I end up having to use the old clamp for this one. Because when I got this one in, somehow it broke. So, new one I can't use, and I don't see no problem with using the old one. So now I'm just about to get these two nuts and bolts in. I'm gonna finish hooking up everything else. Got both down pipes in place. Torque down. These 4 nuts and bolts put in. Kind of difficult getting to the back end on this one, but I got it. I went through this way, I came around, put a wrench through the back side, to lock onto it so I can torque it down. Yeah, it's looking good. Now I'm about to plug these O2 sensors back in and then do the same for the top. Alright, those two plugs back in. Got these wires pushed back in these clips. Plug this back in. Now I'm not gonna put the cover back on. In the next couple videos, I'm about to do the Precision Raceworks four packs with new spark plugs. And I'm not gonna put the cover back underneath it because I'm changing out the intercooler. 7.5-inch race intercooler, which might be overkill, but it's gonna work out in the long run. And I still gotta put the coolant in there. And I'm doing this water pump with the thermostat. So stay tuned for that. Oh, I gotta put that on. Alright, everything's back together. I got this back in. All those bolts tightened down. The steering rack is back in. Those two bolts and the nuts on the back end. Everything with the downpipes tightened down. O2 sensors back in place. That exhaust bracket is back up. Everything on the top half, besides the engine cover. And besides that, on the bottom, because I got all that stuff coming in, so that's it for this video. I'm about to clean up everything, but if this helped you out in any way, make sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new, and that's all I got. I'm out.